Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a spring Michaels haul to share with you. I was able to get some goodies, so let's go ahead and check out what I was able to find. Okay, the first thing I want to share with you is this 12 by 12 paper pad. It does have 48 sheets. This is part of the special edition. So this was on sale. And this is solid, fresh solid colors, and it's the spring colors. So you do get the yellow, the three kinds of pinks, the lavender, blue, and the mint, and then the green. It's a nice little pan. So look at this pan. Okay, look at how bright this yellow is. Oh my goodness, real nice. And it is double-sided, so there's no white in the back, and you do get 5 of each of each color. Oh wow, look at that. And it does have a little texture to it, which is really nice. We got the light pink. And the darker one. Real nice. I love it. You know what that means, y'all? I might have to get another one. Because I love my pastels. The lavender. Ooh, I love it. Love, love, love. The blue. Wow, look at that. And you could use this for a lot of different paper pads. And it is thick, so it's not flimsy paper either. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you do have the green. Oh, beautiful colors. So this is a must-have if you haven't bought it from Michaels. So I got that one. Wait till you see the next one. The next one I hauled is this 20 sheets, 12 by 12, and this one's from Recollection. This one, the pastel one, is from Craftsmith. And this one is Shimmer Paper. You do get 5 colors. The yellow, pink, a lighter pink, mint, and blue. And you get 4 sheets each. This one is Shimmer. I don't know if it shows on there, but it has a little shine. Well, it's a little shimmer. So it's not like glitter, but it does give a little bling to it, which I love. And the cardstock is awesome. It's really thick. Look at the yellow. Love the yellow. There's a darker pink. Love it. And like I said, both sides are the same color. Oh, look at the pink. Oh, I love this pink. Like a light bubblegum pink. And then the mint. Wow, look at that. Love it. I love my pastels. And then you get the blue. Love this paper pan. Love, love, love. And then the next thing I hauled are these Chanel stems. And I got these because I do little flowers. So I got it comes with yellow, purple, iridescent, and light pink. And you do get 100 pieces in here. This is $4.99, but it was on sale. It was on sale, so it was actually cheaper than that. So I got those. I did get some embellishment mix. Look at that. And this is the Easter one. And this one you do get 6 different types of embellishments. That so you get the little purple, the sequence mix, you get little flowers in there, light purple, blues, and look at the little chickies. You get that one. Love this. This is the clay bits. And then this one is more sequins with yellow and white, and you do have some bunnies. And these are just clay bits right there. Real nice. And then you do have the little balls there, and you have some like rhinestone type jemmies. So cute. So cute. So I got those. And then I did get the other one. And this one also comes with 6. And this one comes with some flower jemmies, some like clay bits there. And then look at that. The spring mix. The little leaves, flowers, beautiful. You got a pink, like glitter mix there. And look at that one. Look at that one. Real nice. And then you get the orange with the pinks. Let me show you it again just in case I was greedy and was showing it off the camera. But look at that. Beautiful. And I love those jemmies. Look at that. Love the jemmies. So the next thing I hauled was this embellishment container. And the regular price is $4.99, but of course it's on sale. And look at that. How beautiful is that? And then you get some jemmies, you get some more glitter. Love, love, love. And then I also got the second one, which is that one. And you got the little balls with the purple. And then over here you get the pink with the pastel colors. Real nice. Love, love, love. And right now all of that is on sale. And then I did haul these confetti mix, and the regular price is also $5.99, but they're on sale also. And look at that. You got like cute bunnies, some eggs, and of course it's all in pink and silver. Real nice. Love, love, love. So that's another nice one. And the last thing I hauled was this glitter glue. Now they have 3 different colors, but the only one I really use is, well, needed because I have the others, is this purple one, so I went ahead and get that one. But look at that. How pretty is that? That is awesome. But yeah, so yeah, that is my little Michael's haul I want to share with you. I do love pastels. I love it, love it, love it. So make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite, or what do you love about Easter and spring. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.